Hello everyone. Can you guess by seeing this picture that what the boy and the girl are doing? Actually, they are arguing or quarreling or fighting with each other. So, children, the topic that we are going to discuss today is the Quarrel poem composed by Eleanor Farjeon. Before going to poem, let's know about the poet Eleanor Farjeon. She was an English author of children's stories and plays, poetry, biography, history and satire. She was born on 13 February 1881 in London at England, UK. She died on 5th June 1965 in Hampstead, England. And now introduction. Generally, brothers and sisters quarrel with each other. It is a very common situation. Many a times they quarrel with each other without any reason. Their quarrels being over small issues, petty issues, and how with a small kind of that quarrel ends. It is majestic and beautiful. Whenever we hear the word quarrel, there are two things we come across. The first one is fight and the second is quarrel, which is a bad thing. Quarrel and fight are both different, but normally we use both as the same. Quarrel is to argue about something or disagreement about something. It is a verbal dispute, whereas fight is a force or hurt. It is a physical express of anger. Now let's move to the poem. The quarrel. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was light. The end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Now explanation part 2. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. Here I refer to the poet. Poet says that she quarreled with her brother, but she actually does not know the reason behind the quarrel. She says that she do not know how the quarrel started, but somehow a series of things went on happening. Small issues started growing up and finally we ended up quarreling. Now second stanza. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. As I said you earlier, the poet had no clue about the thing that she and her brother quarreling for. The starting or first phase of quarrel was slight, or we can say it was not serious. But as they went on, the thing which started light was becoming strong, intense or serious. Her brother said that whatever he said was right, but the poet believed that her brother was wrong. Now the third step. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. In this stanza, we find that the poet says because of the quarrel, both of them started hating each other. The line, the afternoon turned black. This means sometimes it means the quarrel will be afternoon till night, but sometimes it means that something happened, unpleasant thing during the afternoon. What was the thing happened? Her brother thumped her on back. Thumped means hit. Her brother hit it on the back of the poet. Now let's move to the fourth stanza. And said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night. I was in the wrong, So he was in the right. Her brother hit on her back and said that, "Oh dear, let's leave the matter now. We can't keep on quarreling whole night. So it's better to stop quarrel and now we can be friends." And he says that, "I will admit that he was wrong." And when the poet's brother admits the wrong, then the poet feels that she was wrong, but not her brother. Now let's move to the theme of the poem. This poem is based on siblings' love and friendship. The poet of the opinion that siblings often quarrel and fight with each other, with or without reason. But that does not mean that they will remain upset for the whole time. Sibling love is so powerful and strong that even after a harsh quarrel, bond of love will emerge powerful and melt away the bitterness caused by the quarrel. That's all for this video, children. Thank you.